Hello everybody, this is Thailier. Today in this new video, I am making about what is called psychic abilities. I'm going to talk about all the psychic abilities, okay? So right now I'm going to communicate about these psychic abilities, okay? Detail wise, I'm going to talk about all the psychic abilities in depth, okay? So let I begin from the psychic abilities that I'm going to tell you what are psychic abilities, okay? So today I am talking about in the 11th of August 2025. I'm talking about psychic abilities. What is psychology? What is psychic abilities? I have today made about a video on feminine. What is feminine psychology and all about? I have made a video on that. You can watch that video on the internet on my channel Thailier Eternal. I Thailier Eternal, that is in the channel. So when I'm talking about it, everything is psychology. When I talk about this is a psychic world. This is psychic world. This whole world is governed by psychology. Everything is governed by psychology. I'm talking about in depth about psychology. So what is psychology? Psychology is mind. Everything with dealings of mind. Whatever we perceive in mind, whatever we deals with mind, whatever deals with mind, things is come. And beyond mind, transcendental things is come. All these things is comes under the topic of psychology. Beyond of the depth of the things of the mind comes in psychology. This is called the psychological phenomena. Psychology. This is called the broad field, the broadest field term as psychology. Inside psychology, there are certain called psychic abilities. Okay, inside the psychology, the broad mother term for all these psychological phenomena, psychological things is there is a term called psychic abilities. So today I am going to talk about the psychic abilities. Thereafter, I'm going to talk about the broad phenomena of psychology because psychology is a broad phenomena, broad sector, broad phenomena. It's not about a thing. So from that psychology, I'm just talking about psychological abilities. What are called the psychological abilities? Let I begin from intuition. What is called intuition? What is called instinct? What is called intuition? So when I'm going to talk about intuition, intuition means we are getting to know, like, I'm ready, like I can do this thing or that thing or this thing. Just it is coming without any logic. Just it is coming like I can pick up this pen, I can pick up this pen. Why I'm picking up it? There is no logic. I'm just picking up. I'm just picking up this pen. There is no logic behind it. I'm just picking up this pen. There's no logic. This is called intuition. There is some time when intuition works. Intuition works. Instinct work that gives us messages, that gives us deliberate information to us. Okay. So thereafter, what happened? Clearer audience is there. Clairvoyance. Let I talk about clairvoyance. What is clairvoyance? When a person comes to you and say about a different person, you are getting images and visuals of that person, that this is the person, this is the personality of the person, or this is the visual of the person, the vibe of the person. You are getting the whole scenario of the person with your mind. You are getting everything download in your mind about the person. But just knowing the name of the person, by just getting eventually in a level, in a transcend level, just if a person comes to you and he or she is going to tell you about another person, you are just going to know about it. Hey, you are coming here to talk about that person, means you are knowing that, eventually knowing about which person the person is come to talk about. This is also in the psychic abilities. This is also in the psychic abilities. Yes, this is also in the psychic abilities. So thereafter, what I'm talking about, thereafter it is the when knowing about it before meeting anybody, you can know about that this person is going to come and going to say about this person's name and about this topic this person is going to say about me. This is called psychic abilities, clairvoyance thing. This is the clairvoyance thing. Clairvoyance means I am getting everything about knowing about that person without having any knowledge about it, without having any knowledge of physical contact or anything. I'm getting it from clairvoyance, downloading everything here. Thereafter is clear audience. So when I'm talking about clairaudience, what is clairaudience? Clairaudience means uh, you are going to hear voices, sounds, message from spiritual energies, realms that cannot be perceived by any other person. You are listening sound like, hey, not like that, not like any person or human saying, hey, do this, go there, do that. No, it's very serene, it's very different. You're going to understand, you're going to understand that this is something coming from spiritual energy. If you are in a line, or if you are in a so-called in a store, and you are so much in a situation that what to purchase from the shop. If you're here to purchase a gift for someone, you're in a situation, a sound comes, doll, a sound comes, that toy. Not like that. It's very serene, it's very different. You could only understand by the person who is receiving the message. It is written here, the person who is receiving the clairaudience can only understood, because it is the ability of that person to understand that. If the person is the lover of watch and you are unaware about it, and you purchase the watch by having the clairaudience, you listen a voice or anything to purchase that watch. You have bought that watch, but you are unaware about the person. You are unaware about the person, that whether the person will love it or not. But with your clairvoyance or ability, you have taken that watch for the person, and the person will say, "Yeah, this is my favorite thing." This is called clairvoyance, clairaudience. I discuss about clairvoyance, clairaudience. Let I talk about clear sentience. What is clear sentience? Clear feeling. It is called the clear feeling. We are getting clear feeling or sense energies, emotions, physical sensations of people's objects. I am going to, like, I can know about anything. Like if I see a person just from a distance, I can know about a person. This person is like this person talks like that, this person's personality is like that, this person deals with the person like this person's mind revolves like that, this person behaves like that, this person has these type of relationship in life. These things is everything just download and come in that person, with having the clear sentience. Clear sentience is the ability to get everything just by looking, just by having a distance view of the person. You can understand the whole scenario of the person psychologically. Yes, this is called clear sentence, the getting the whole feelings of the person. So thereafter, this is called empath. This is known as the empath. Okay, empathy means knowing others emotion, or yes. So in clear sentience, similar thing is there. For that reason, this is known as empath. We can understand anywhere, any place we are going, we can understand from the vibration this place is good or bad, or any energy is there working. We can know it because of empath, because of clear sentience, the psychic ability. Thereafter, clear cognizance. What is clear cognizance? You Anyone is knowing anything without any logical reasoning. It is downloading. The information is received, or sudden download or information happen. Sudden download of information happens about a person, about a thing, about a situation, about anything. Sudden download of information start to begin. Sudden download of information start to begin. Yes, sudden download of information start to begin. The thing is that sudden download of information start to happen. If a person wants to know about that person, all the information about that person, what is the relationship of that person, where the person lives, everything, exact place where the person lives, what is the phone number of that person, what is the email ID of that person, each and everything get downloaded by the claircognizance. This is the psychic ability. Each and everything just downloads as powerfully, just by looking at the person, or just wanna know about that person. Everything downloads very easily. Thereafter is clairliance. Clairliance means clear smelling, ability to smell fragrance or odors that are not physically present, often associated with a spirit or a past event. Okay, so if I am in a place and I'm smelling something, I'm smelling something which is not present here. There something is not present. That room is totally empty. There is no spells, no smells there. There is no smells there in the room. But I am getting something smelling. Means I am getting the spirit smell. That is the smell of the spirit. That is called clearer lians, clear lians, the smell of the spirit. Usually in places we say where smells are coming, the spirits are attracting us by smells. Usually people say, hey, if you are smelling something, spirits are attracting you. This is called clear lians, clear smelling. Thereafter is, or about associated with the spirit or a past event. Eventually, we can know about a past event from this smell. Sometimes we get the smell of a place recorded in our brain, in our mind, that another time, if we smell that smell in any other place or related smell, we could relate it with the past event, that this event has occurred with this smell associated with it. Our brain stores all these information in our mind. All relation of information are inside our mind very powerfully. Yes. Thereafter is clear gustance. Clear gustance, clear gustance. This is there. What is the meaning of clear gustance? Clear tasting, the ability to taste flavors that are not physically present, often linked to the presence of spirit. So there suddenly, if I'm in a room or in a place, and suddenly a taste begins to come in my mouth, a taste begins to come. This happens when this happens in a precognition type way, that later I'm going to consume that cake, but I am getting the taste of that cake right now. If I'm getting the taste of that cake right now, that means I'm getting the precognition or clear gustance. So the flavors of the things which are not present right now, but I'm getting the taste of that thing right with me. That means I'm having the clear gustance with me. Okay, totally. So thereafter, I'm coming to mediumship. What is known as mediumship? I'm talking about mediumship. Mediumship is a psychic ability to communicate and contact with the spirit of deceased people, means dead peoples. We can contact with any dead peoples and get information and communicate with them. We can communicate with them at any way. Yes, all these abilities are present in this world. We can communicate with spirits of deceased person or any spirits very easily. We can communicate with them very easily. Very easily. Thereafter, coming to empathy. I already explained about empathy. Empathy means knowing the emotions of others. So when a person is knowing the emotion of the other person, which will be going to happen? If the person is knowing the emotion of the other person, which is going to happen there? The person can know empathetically that this person is feeling this type of feeling in this type of scenario situation, means knowing the emotion of that person in taking in this person into that situation and knowing whole emotion of that person. This is called empathy. Thereafter, telepathy is there. Telepathy means sending your thoughts, information, or transmitting your thoughts. When a person is transmitting the thoughts to another person without any physical medium, through the medium of mind, the person is doing telepathy. Okay. So thereafter, the point is about precognition. What is precognition? When I'm going to talk about precognition, precognition is the ability to perceive future event before they happen. We have